Hello students, welcome back to my channel online classes. So look at this. What is written here? Simplification, as simple as this name. So what is simplification? To simplify any expression in mathematics. So how you will use it and what are their rules? So let's get started. To simplify any expression in mathematics, of course, we need some rules. So here it is. So B stands for bracket, O stands for of or order. But we will discuss about of here because order is for the higher classes. Okay. Now D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Now how we will solve the mathematics expression using this formula or the rule? Let's start. So here it is, the mathematical expression. So now we are going to solve this expression using the BODMAS rule. So as you know, before I told already that B stands for brackets, O stands for of, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. So firstly, you should identify your operation, that what are your operations. So first operation is division, second is addition, next is multiplication and again addition. So you have 4 operations, means 3 operations because additions comes 2 times. Okay. So now see division. According to the BODMAS rule, you have the first division, means because in this mathematical operation you don't have any brackets, you don't have any off factor. So firstly, what will you going to solve? The division term. So let's start, because your first operation is division and of course division should be solved first. Okay. So now see, 30 division divided by 5. So how much? 6. Addition 4 multiplication 2, addition 14. Okay. Now next, what is your operation? Addition and then multiplication. So firstly, what will you solve? The multiplication or the addition? What comes first? Multiplication comes first. So we will solve the multiplication first. So write here 6, addition 4 multiply 2, how much? 8. Now addition 14. Now what are your operations now? Your operations are additions. So now you can solve this addition operation together. So 6 addition 8, addition 14, how much? 6 addition 8 is 14, addition 14 again is 28. Okay, this is your result. Understand? Let's take another example. Now here it is your second example using brackets. So you can see here bracket, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Okay. So these are your operations you will solve. Now you can write by side here. The first operation is brackets, multiplication also here, now division also here, addition, then subtraction. So first, as you know that according to the BODMAS rule, first comes brackets. So you will solve first bracket. So solve this one first. 7 plus 18 and 2 plus 13. How much this one? 25. Okay. Now bracket solve. Multiplication 3. Now divide. Here 2 plus 13 is equals to 15. Now minus 28. Now according to the BODMAS rule, first bracket solved already Now next is division. So first you need to solve this division, this operation. So 25 multiplication 3, when 15 is divided by 3, then what comes the result? 5. Now here subtraction and then 28. So what comes after division? Multiplication. So first you need to solve multiplication and the rest last is subtraction. So first multiplication, if I will multiply 25 by 5, then what is the result? 125. Subtracted 28. So what is the answer? 97. Now except this bracket, we have the big brackets or the square bracket and the curly brackets. Okay, so firstly, if these all the brackets comes in one expression, then what will you solve first? First solve this bracket, small bracket, then this big bracket, and later on the last one is curly bracket. So this one is the first level, this one is the second level, and this one is the third level. So firstly you need to solve this small bracket, then the square bracket or the big bracket, and the last one is the curly brackets. So I will give you the another example of this. So now here it is, the one more example of the simplification. So how you will simplify this expression? Using again the BODMAS rule. How many brackets are there? First one is here small brackets, then here curly brackets. Here no more the square bracket. So we will solve the first small bracket and the last one is this curly bracket. So first solve this. So again we will write this one. 12 subtracted 6, 6 plus 24 minus 12, 12. Now this bracket, curly bracket. Now 1800 divided 10, what is this? 12 plus 6, 18. 18, and what is this means? Multiplication. So according to the rule, first we will divide and then we will multiply. So divide by this, 1800 divided by 10 is equals to 180. Now multiply 18. So the answer is 3240. Now let's take another example. So here it is, one more example of the mathematical expression. So now we will solve this using the same BODMAS rule. So first operation is addition, again addition, then subtraction, then division, then multiplication, and the brackets, the small brackets and the big brackets or the square brackets. So as the BODMAS rule, first B stands for bracket, so it means we will solve the bracket first. So which bracket we will solve first? The small bracket. Okay, now 3 plus 6, we will solve this bracket first. So it means 11 plus 1, how much? 12 minus 4, we will solve in the next line. 3 plus 6, this bracket means multiplication. Now put here multiply, and then 12 minus 4, 8. Okay, now this bracket, small bracket, solve. Okay, divide 8 multiply 2. Now next step, plus. Here what is this? The multiplication and this bracket. So we will solve the bracket first because we already solved the small brackets. Now the term this time we will solve the big bracket in this step. 6 multiply 8, 48. Divide 8 multiply 2. Now what are your operations now? Addition and division and multiplication. So according to the BODMAS rule, first we will divide, then multiply and then add. So 3 plus 48 divided by 8, 6, multiply 2. Now we will multiply first and then add. So 3 addition 6 multiply 2, 12. Now addition, so 3 add addition 12 is equals to 15. So 15 is your result. So this is your basic rule of the BODMAS and the rules about the brackets, about the small bracket, big bracket or the curly brackets. I hope you all understand. Thank you so much.